SamCart Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the SamCart Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features of SamCart, how the affiliate program works, and who can benefit the most from promoting it. Links to the program and platform are in the description, so be sure to check them out. SamCart is a high-converting checkout platform designed to help entrepreneurs, marketers, and businesses sell their products and services with ease. Unlike traditional e-commerce platforms, SamCart focuses on optimizing the checkout experience, increasing conversions, and maximizing order value through features like one-click upsells, order bumps, A/B testing, and subscription management. It's widely used by course creators, digital marketers, coaches, and small business owners looking to streamline their sales process. The SamCart affiliate program offers a recurring commission structure, meaning you earn a percentage of every sale made through your referral, not just once, but every month for as long as your referral stays subscribed. Affiliates typically earn 30% lifetime commissions, making this a great opportunity for long-term passive income. The program also provides a cookie duration of 90 days, giving you a solid window to earn from leads who don't convert immediately. This program is perfect for bloggers, YouTubers, influencers, and digital marketers who create content around e-commerce, online business, digital products, and course selling. If your audience is looking for a way to optimize their sales funnels and increase revenue, SamCart is an excellent platform to recommend. To boost your affiliate earnings, consider creating tutorials, case studies, and comparisons that showcase how SamCart improves conversion rates compared to traditional checkout systems. Highlighting real-world examples, such as selling online courses, memberships, or physical products, can help potential users see its value and make a purchase. Overall, the SamCart affiliate program is a fantastic opportunity to earn high-ticket recurring commissions while promoting a tool that truly helps businesses grow. If you're ready to get started, check out the link in the description and sign up today. Thanks for watching.